just been doing his business in that little cupboard. It's got all sticky stuff on it.
Spunking in there, mate.
Dirty boy.
Fucking spunking there, yeah.
Dirty bastard. Back to SprayTech. It's a new week. Let's get it. As you can see from last week, we've still got this waiting for the customer to come and do his final checks on it because he needs to supply a few parts. Similar thing here, we're waiting on back order parts on this Q3 still. Similar situation with the 2 Series family members, still waiting on parts for that. Waiting for the authority on this Toyota CHR. We're waiting for keys for this. So this was in a crash. Basically, it got recovered from the site. The recovery people who recovered it went to their compound. They lost the keys, but apparently they found it now. So waiting for that. Range Rover, brand new Range Rover, done work on this, literally rear tailgate, lower tailgate was smashed in and rear bumper, so we've replaced all of that. We've got this Audi Q5, it's in for 2 doors and a quarter panel repair, so yeah, we'll get that done. What's Reece doing?
Front bumper.
It's a bonnet.
Front bonnet.
Yeah, not a front bumper. Yeah, as you can see, the guy behind the camera doesn't know anything about cars. That's why he holds the camera. We got this Jaguar E-Pace in. For a friend of mine's car, someone repaired it prior. I think it's been in a bit of a crash. There's loads of little issues wrong with it, so he's asked me to sort it out for him. So it's in here, we're just fixing it up. Sensors, airbag sensors, there was a problem with DPF, battery issues, just little things like that really. So we're just getting that sorted for him. The deranged X-Class has been painted, paintwork has been done. We're just waiting for parts, rear bumper and a few other little bits, and this can be complete. We need to take it for a wheel refurb actually. So when we get these front 2 wheels refurbed, and it will be back to the customer. Then we've got a few other panels for various cars outside. So that is what we have got in this week. There's probably about 3 or 4 other cars that are waiting to come on site as well, to be recovered and so on, and loads of estimates to be done. So this is what's going on this week.
Rami whipping it, cuzzy. Rami whipping it, yeah. See, all the way back. Legs like that, yeah. Oh my thing, bro. Holding the mercs. Yes, guys. So we need to go pick up a customer's car from Crewe, which is about an hour and a half. We gotta go pick that up, and the car's non-drivable, so it's a brand new Audi Q8. The car's non-drivable, airbags have gone off, the car's been in a collision. So we're gonna take this Qashqai to the customer, give him that hire car, and we've got to pick up the Audi Q8. So yeah, so this is another customer's car. It's a Mercedes A200 A-Class, and it's got some damage. It's got a lot of damage actually done to it. So we're gonna get this repaired. Hopefully this week it should be finished. As you can see there's a big dent on the door. There, it's cracked. The bumper is gone, so that's all damaged. The light is damaged, and on this side as well, the door is dented.
Charlie, mate, Freckler G 360. Ooh.
360.
Mark, our other painter, loves it. It gets rid of orange peel. Freckler G 360.
See, here at SprayTech, we do spray out parts. This is because... No, so basically, we do a spray out card so we don't go all the way, do the bonnet, do the front bumper, and it's completely off. So we do a spray out card now, and then we'll double check it.
That looks about right.
Ish, yeah, there or thereabout. Or we'll see, you know what, this needs a blend. And obviously you all know what a blend is now because I told you in the last video, didn't I?
Blend.
Okay.
So for the people that don't know, what is a blend?
B-L-E-N-D.
Blend.
So yeah, we are going to do a blend on this because it's just one of them nightmare colours. So just to be safe, it is close, but just to be safe, to make it look like
Perfect.
we're going to do a blend.
Today we have a flathead dolly with a ball peen hammer.
Ball peen. A ball peen. Piento.
That's all today, folks. Why it crack with?
I think it's because someone hit it there.
No, you said
Oh, we don't usually like to flex too much.
The Audi Q8 has just arrived. See, as you saw in the video, it just got dropped off, of course, here at SprayTech. We don't think the car is actually repairable. Airbags have gone off. Every single airbag in the car has gone off. That side, in the back. As you can see, the damage is very, very, very bad. As you see there, the whole chassis is actually bent. The chassis is bent, as you can see there. What do you think? Is the car repairable though?
I don't know. Everything's repairable. Whether or not it's going to be economically viable to repair it, that's another question.
How much would a repair at this cost?
Let me do it and I'll tell you. What do you think?
I think about 25, 30 grand.
You think 30 grand, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us know in the comments what you think it's going to be.
What BMW's getting painted again, sorry?
The gold one.
Oh, the orange.
Yeah, orangey, whatever. Bonnet.
Yes, people, welcome back. Fresh day, Friday morning, you know how it is. So this will be finished today. It's just waiting on one part to arrive, so we build it back up and get it validated. This is still here. We're still not sure if it's repairable or it's going to be a write-off. I think it's 99% going to be a write-off because the whole chassis is bent. As you can see, look at the wheel moved back and the door there, look. Other than that, the orange BMW is getting sprayed, and that should be done very soon. Luke is still working on the Fiat Ducato. As you can see, it's looking loads better now. Yeah, looking loads better now. A-Class will take a lot of time to be done. But yeah, I'll catch you in a bit. You're right. What's going on with this now?
Rear end, still welding her up. We're going to try and fabricate something to put the support back in the post, tie the post in. Remember I told you last time that you need to get all the strength is in the centre of the sill and you have to tie the posts in. That's where you get the strength back. So we're going to do that and then we're just going to put the cover over it, which is over there.
Thank you. Alright. As you can see, it's been painted. We're just waiting to get lacquered. This is the burgundy BMW. So, as you can see, it's getting lacquered right now. How many coats of lacquer does it need? 2. So it's going to have 2 coats of lacquer. Give it that perfect finish. As you can see now, the rear bumper has been lacquered and the whole front end has been lacquered and it's ready to go. We're just waiting for it to bake, or as you lot say, to dry. Yeah, it's finished.
Anyway, enough of that. Thank you for watching. If you could please like, subscribe and share, that'd be much appreciated. Peace and blessings.